Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by freeing resources so Windows can open apps fast. First, check disk space and remove large temp files, keeping at least 15% free. Avoid slow paging. Once done, open Task Manager and end heavy background processes you don't need right now. Next, go to Settings, Apps, Startup, and turn off non-essential startup programs. These first actions reduce contention for CPU, RAM, and disk I/O, and they make the rest of the fixes more effective and faster to test. Now you'll optimize Windows internals. Run disk cleanup including system files to remove cache and reduce fragmentation, and consider running optimization/defragment for HDDs. Then, adjust visual effects under Performance options. Select Performance or manually disable animations to lower GPU/CPU overhead. Make sure device drivers, especially storage and graphics, are up to date. Outdated drivers cause delays opening apps. Finally, install pending Windows updates to apply performance fixes. These steps finish by targeting the slow app itself. Reset it in Settings, Apps and Features, or reinstall from a trusted source. This clears corrupted cache or bad configurations. If multiple apps open slowly for one user, create a new user profile to test for profile corruption. Once everything is set, reboot and measure startup times. If you still see delays, open Event Viewer and filter Application/System logs for warnings or errors tied to app launches. That log clue points to drivers, permissions, or third-party conflicts to address next.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.